Hello everyone, myself Pankaj Durole, a faculty in Computer Science and Engineering from Jawaharlal Nehru Engineering College, MGM University. In this video, I will introduce you data engineering. Data engineering is a field which is a prerequisite for data scientists as well as data analytics job, because the data scientist as well as data analytics people required the data in pure form. The data is very messy, and if it is not converted to a pure form, then the data cannot be properly worked on. So the role of data scientists as well as data analytics is dependent on data engineers. Basically, it involves designing, constructing, and maintaining data architectures and systems. It focuses on transforming raw data into valuable information through processes such as extract, transform, and load. So, here impure data is converted into pure format. Data engineers use various tools and technologies to build data pipelines and ensure data quality. So when the data is converted from the raw format to the valuable information, they need to be transferred from one place to the another place using the data pipelines. This field is essential for enabling data driven decision making within the organizations, because if you want to take the decision, you should have a data. The data should be in the pure format, and that is what is the all process is about. Key responsibilities of data engineers include designing data pipelines. So it creates systems that collect, processes, and transform the data from various sources to centralized location. Basically, pipelines are the channels through which the data is transferred from one place to the another place. Data integration, combining data from multiple sources to provide unified view. Data storage, storing the information, setting up and managing the databases. So the data storage units in data engineering are data warehouses and data lakes. ETL is one of the important process in data engineering, which is called as extract, transform, and load. So in extraction we take the data, we fetch the data. In transformation we convert the data from one form to the another form, and then we store the data in the loading to the data warehouse or to the data lake. So to clean and prepare the data for analysis, basically performance optimization, ensuring that the systems perform efficiently and can handle large volumes of the data. So these are some key responsibilities of data engineer, out of which we will take two important entities inside the data engineering process. Data pipelines. So at the heart of data engineering are data pipelines, which are automated workflows that move the data from various sources to destination for analysis. Like we have pipeline in our society, in our city, to move the water from one place to the another place. So the data pipeline typically include the several stages. The very first stage in the data pipeline is ingestion. It collects the data from the sources such as databases, APIs, and file systems. Processing. Transforming and enriching the data. Transforming means the data is not present in the desired format, in the pure format. The data contains impurities, it contains missing values, it contains repetition, it contains error containing data, unwanted data. So transforming and enriching data to fit analysis needs. Then storage is also a part, or rather a step in data pipelines, storing processed data in data warehouse or data lake. And then analysis, providing access to data for analysis and reporting. Now finally, extract, transform and load is one of the key terminology in data engineering. So it is a fundamental process in data engineering. Data is retrieved from various sources in the extraction. Data is clean, aggregated and converted into a suitable format in the transformation. And the transformed data is loaded into the destination system such as data warehouse or a data lake. Thank you.